How to get rid of calluses on feet overnight. How to heal rough and cracked heels with lemon. You must try this excellent and extremely effective method. If you have problem with cracked heels, then we recommend that you try this amazing and yet very effective method of treatment. At the beginning you need to know that no expensive cream or ointment will give such results. Namely, this treatment is so effective because the lemon peel will rehabilitate the dry skin on heels. For preparing this amazing ointment you will need 1. Pick 1 large lemon. 2. Pick socks. 3. Moisturizing cream or oil for the skin. What you need to do. First you need to cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the lemon juice. For this treatment, you will only need a little bit of lemon peel with pulp in it. Next thing you need to do is put 1/2 of the lemon directly on the heel. After you have done this, you need to put on a pair of socks and keep this healing. Compress on your feet for about 30 minutes. Half an hour to relax and regenerate the skin of your foot is not long, but the result will surely delight you. After 30 minutes you need to remove the socks, throw away the lemon peel and look at your heels. At this point it is very important for you to know that the lemon peel and its pulp contain many essential oils that can soften and regenerate the skin. This is why this method is so effective. Namely, all the old skin cells now can be easily removed. All you have to do is scrub your heels. The best thing about this method is that you do not even have to scrub your heels, because the results will be visible either way. However, you should remember that in order for the treatment to be successful you need to repeat this procedure 2-3 times a week. If you do so, then the skin on your foot will be flawless. Now you need to apply a little bit of moisturizer or oil on your feet and put on your socks again. You need to note that cocoa or shea butter have excellent effect on the heel. In addition, the calendula cream or a mixture of glycerin and alcohol can be pretty effective in this treatment. You should also know that this final process nourishes your skin and helps the heels to remain smooth for a long period of time. This treatment is very effective because the lemon peel, the nutrient oils and the creams penetrate deeply into the layers of the skin, making